So welcome student. Now as per our last topic, I have already started alkane. Okay, definition of alkane, example of alkane, then alkyl group. I have already explained what is the meaning of alkane, what is the meaning of alkyl group, their symbol and everything. Primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom and all these. Now in continuation with that part, now I am going to discuss with you common nomenclature of alkene. Nomenclature means naming, how to name alkane, various alkane, how to give name. Now see, first there are two system of nomenclature in organic compound. All the organic compound have two name. One is common name, second one is IUPAC nomenclature. Common system of nomenclature and IUPAC system of nomenclature. So now we first discuss common name of alkene, common nomenclature or common naming system of alkene. Now see, in alkane as we know, we already taken many example of alkane, how to give, and these are the common name, like for example CH4. CH4 is methane. CH3 that is C2H6 ethane. Okay. CH3, CH2, CH3 means C3H8 propane. Okay, so these are the name. Then butane, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is in butane. All the carbon atom are arranged in linear chain. Okay, linear. Okay, that's why this type of structure is represented by N. We have to write before the name of alkane, we have to write N. N represent normal alkane. It represent normal alkane means straight chain. It is straight chain alkane. Now it is N-butane. Always remember this symbol N is used for straight chain alkane. Okay. Now another butane having one more structure, that is CH3, CH3. What is the name for this structure? It is butane. But these two are butane, they are isomers of each other and it is N-butane. Why N? Because this is straight chain. Okay. Now it is a branch chain alkane. Branching is there. And again this type of alkane, the alkane having this type of structure means here this is the chain, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 2 having CH3. CH3 is methyl group. It is a methyl group. So this type of arrangement of alkane is known as iso. The prefix iso is added before the name of alkane, isobutane. Always remember, any alkane having straight chain structure are represented by N. Any alkane having methyl group attached to second carbon atom, that is called iso arrangement. Actually in common naming there are three arrangement: normal, iso and neo. Okay, then it is not possible to give name. So methane, ethane, propane, no problem. N-butane, isobutane. Then in case of pentane, see pentane C5H12, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is one of the arrangement in case of pentane. Another arrangement, CH, second arrangement is this. Third, now, so there are three isomers for pentane. What is the name for this? Just look at this structure. All the carbon atom are arranged in straight chain. Therefore, it is called normal pentane. N pentane. Okay, no problem. So, in common system, we use N for straight chain alkane. Second, see here again straight chain, but out of 4 carbon, out of 5 carbon, 4 carbon are in straight chain, and fifth carbon attached to second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. See this methyl group. Methyl group attached to second carbon atom in the chain. So that type of arrangement is called isopentane. This is isopentane. Okay, and then last, here again straight chain, 3 carbon are arranged in straight chain, and then 2 methyl group attached to carbon number 2 in the chain. 2 methyl group attached to carbon number 2 in the chain. That type of arrangement is called neo arrangement or neo-alkane. So this is neopentane. Okay, so this is the common nomenclature for alkane. Okay, take one more example. Hexane. Hexane C6H14. Now simple arrangement, straight chain, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. It is called N-hexane. Okay, very simple. Second arrangement, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It is called isohexane. Because why it is called iso? Because second carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon atom of chain having methyl group. Okay, then CH3, 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 CH2, CH3. Here it is called neohexane. Okay, then so 3 arrangement are possible. 4 structure possible for hexane. Is it possible for hexane? Hexane having 3 isomers. Is it possible to write 4th structure for hexane? Let us try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it will repeat again. So 3 isomers. Okay, then heptane. Now heptane C7H18. Now for heptane again CH2, CH3, 7 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and all carbon atom are in straight chain. Therefore N-heptane, no problem. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom and second carbon atom having methyl group. So isoheptane. Okay, then CH3, 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 CH2, CH2, CH3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and second carbon atom having 2 methyl group. Therefore, this type of arrangement is called neoheptane. Okay, so these are the 3 structure for heptane. Now I will try for 4th. I will try to draw 4th structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, what is the name for this? Here 4 carbon atom are in straight chain and carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 having 1 methyl group. 1 2 3 4 5. See, carbon number 2 having methyl group, carbon number 3 also having methyl group. Is it iso? Is it neo? Is it normal? No. Is it normal? No. All the carbon atom are not in straight chain. There is two branching. Okay, that's why it is not normal. Is it iso? No. For iso, second carbon having methyl group, but here second carbon as well as third carbon having methyl group, so it is not iso and it is not neo also. So that's why this common name failed to give naming for such alkane. Therefore there is no common name for such type of complicated alkane. Means there is one problem with this common system. As the number of carbon atom increases in alkane, then there is complicated structure are there, and that's why it is not possible to give common name. Okay, for 3 arrangement we can give common name: normal, iso, neo. But if structure is complicated, then it is not possible to give common name, and then for that there is one more system, that is called IUPAC system of nomenclature. There are certain rules in that system, we have to follow that rules, and then by rules we have to give name. Okay, so in that system it is possible to give name for any alkane. It may be complicated or simple, but it is possible to give name. Okay, so let us discuss common IUPAC system of nomenclature. So in common name there are 3 possible name: N-alkane, isoalkane and neoalkane. And if alkane is not belong to this type of category, then there is no common name. Okay, then we have to apply IUPAC name, IUPAC system of nomenclature. Very, very important. IUPAC system of nomenclature. There are certain set of rule. We have to discuss that rule. I will discuss the rule one by one. Okay, and then we have to give. Now, so in next class I will discuss IUPAC system of nomenclature. Thank you very much.